What happened? Come here. Oh, I understand. It's cleaning? Yeah, cleaner's been here.
That was fast.
Less than 20.
It pays to be prepared. I put them on standby. Ah, boy. What a life.
You know that this is Pearl though, right?
Yeah. Tell you the truth, I didn't expect her to send anyone. When the cameras went down, I was expecting her.
Sir, you know, so we can't take no check now. Can't go nowhere at all without a shadow.
It's about time we make the hunter become the game. I'm going to go to her.
What you mean go to her?
Somewhere where I know she will turn up.
You know you're not doing this alone though.
I have to.
Have to what, sir?
Go alone.
You're joking, right?
You forget who you're dealing with. Her tactical training supersedes both of you combined. She'll see you coming like a herd of elephants.
And you just have to sit down and wait for her to come to you?
No. I'm going to go to her in a way she'll not expect.
You know, based on this move though, she have you under surveillance.
Then you didn't expect her to?
Yeah, but me expect say you would make sure that you're always guarded.
Sir, you realize that when you hide away this, you're fine.
Lesson 350. When you know someone has you under surveillance, you orchestrate what they see and what they don't.
You know, the one good thing about this is that it's not Stinger she's working with. And whosoever she sent is not a professional.
I'm really never professional. You would have taken a shot from the door.
Good. And what does that tell you? This wasn't meant to be the end of me. This was meant to heighten my sense of trepidation, fear. Imagine, I almost dead.
Oh, so she's playing the fear game, having you wonder what's coming next every morning you wake up.
Well, she told me she was going to make me sweat, and not in a good way.
We can at least know what the plan is and dip on standby.
Let me explain something to you, to both of you. Pearl's experience in this kind of thing is limited to what she's directed to do. She has never had to plan an entire operation by herself. She's going off of what she thinks is correct. So the logistics of it, all of that, were always worked out for her. She was like a target struck missile. You just program her and fire her. Now she has to do it all herself. And that's her weakness. That's what makes her predictable. She's going to do what she thinks Mullins would do.
So she has never been an order giver, which puts her at a disadvantage.
It doesn't make her dumb. So she's going to be looking for both of you. And when she don't see you, that's going to make her tense.
And like I always tell you, don't do what they expect you to do.
They planned for it.
Sir, here what concern me. You see, even though she not or may not be working with Stinger, she seemed to be recruiting some little street youth.
And what do you think her currency is? Her very obvious sexual attraction. Now here is where it gets murky. A man with his dick hard doesn't have enough blood in his brain to work out how to properly use it.
Okay, I hear you. But what if she eventually gets to Stinger?
I think he's equally in love with her and afraid of her at the same time. You know, if we need to, we'll weaponize him.
I don't like the fact that him off the grid though. Him not link about Bossy since him got link her.
No, I'm not link my back yet, you know.
But I hope you took my advice and placed a tracker on him.
Yeah, I did.
I know this is a very sensitive thing for both of you. But just like with Tony Esperanza, I'm going to have to not ask, insist that both of you leave this one to me.
Whisper, beg you a minute. Sir, you realize how I have to scrap this nightmare program? Because again, your life is in danger.
My life being in danger is not any good reason to scrap the program. But I'm beginning to see your concerns about the blowback from the program. So, been there and I've done that.
Been there and done that, which means you're going to scrap it?
No. It means I've scrapped it.
Yes!
But only in this region.
Sir, we don't need it. And as you can see, we already are walk a tightrope with our government.
Never say never. It is better to have it, but not use it, than need it and not have it.